Hey everyone, let me show you how quick and easy it is to make a recording of yourself singing on your iPad. On your iPad, you have an app called Voice Memos. That's the one that you want to use. Once you tap on it, it's already set up. It says tap the record button and start singing. Let's try it. Me, 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 me. You can play it back to see what it sounds like. Me, 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 Oh, lovely. When you're finished, hit done. And you'll notice at the top, they name it, but they name it by where you're sitting at the time of your recording, which for me is here at Stony Brook Elementary. So to rename it, simply type your own name, hit return, and now it's time to share it. In your list of choices, move over to where it says copy the Schoology. And when you copy the Schoology, you have the option to submit to an assignment. Once you hit submit to an assignment, your assignment should come up in the list. Remember, it's for lesson assignment number 6. Add it to the assignment, and there you go. And most of you already know how to make a video. Go to your camera, and instead of photo, you want to slide it to video. Hit record, and you're all set. After you finish your video, in Schoology, when you go to submit a photo, it also gives you the option to submit a video. Look for your video and send it in. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.